What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the cabin air filter in your Hyundai Kona. Now I've heard of dealerships charging up to $100 to do this. Do not pay that price. Do it yourself. It's extremely easy. I'll show you how it's done. Now that air filter in this car is located behind the glove box, so we're going to open that up and then we need to remove these two little plastic clips on either side. Now to remove these clips, I'm just going to lift up on this glove box just a hair and I'm going to spin this counterclockwise until it stops, and then I can pull it straight out. And I can do the exact same thing to this side. Now I did empty all the contents out of this box because I didn't want them dumping all over my floor. Now it is hidden away behind this plastic cover here. To remove that, you'll just squeeze these two tabs on the right side, and then as we pull this out, we'll slide it to the right and it'll come right out. We can go ahead and remove that old filter. Now there's all sorts of air filters you can buy. They make these carbon activated charcoal something dealios. I have no idea, but I'm simple folks, so I just bought this really cheap, fun driving air filter off of Amazon. I will throw a link down in the description of where you can buy that. It's no fram, but it'll get the job done. Now we'll just slide our new filter back into that slot. The only thing we need to make a note of is that that airflow is going to be flowing from the top to the bottom, so you want that arrow pointed down. Now this cover just goes on in reverse of how we took it off. We're going to slide this tab into the loop on the left side, and then we can just push it and make sure that those two little clips lock into place. We can go ahead and lift up that glove box until this opening clears this little ledge in here. We can then line up our clip with this little Typhoon Hurricane opening type dealio there and spin that around until it clicks. And this side is the exact same process. Make sure you hear that audible click. As you can see, that was extremely simple, so don't pay someone to do that. Just get it done yourself. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one.